Hey there,
Hello everybody, you are tuned into Normal. My name is Nell.
and my name is Lebo.
This year has been an epic from renovations to property events. It's been crazy, man.
As you can tell by the look in my eyes, even in Nell's eyes, that we are super tired. So we have actually concluded renovating the property that we were actually busy with right now in terms of a flip.
So the purpose of this video is to show you that before, during and after. So you need to watch until the end to see the special gift that we have for you after this whole experience, man. Now that you've actually seen the whole video and seen the capability of so what you actually can do in terms of if you want to see us one-on-one, if you want to actually have a conversation with our power circle, come through to the final event of 2021, which will be hosted in Midrand. But before you actually come through, you need to reserve your seat by hitting the link below.
I mean, we have actually came consistently. Now we need you to actually come to the event that we will actually be hosting. So now the link is in the description. Just make sure that you go over to the description and hit the link. And man, can't wait to actually see you live in person. We are waiting for you. Nongwell?
Looking forward to seeing you, man.